trees, flowers, and fruits can be fragrant and attractive. There are many small or dwarf varieties that can grow, as well as potted plants when proper care is taken. Oranges, lemons, and limes are most commonly grown and consumed. Some of the most common types of citrus planted indoors include Calamondin orange. Its fruits are small and sour, but can be used for marmalade or as a garnish in summer drinks. Otaheite orange is dwarf, spineless cross between a lemon and tangerine. Tangerines and Satsuma are particularly good and have abundant fragrant flavors. Ponderosa and Meyer are two varieties of lemon which may be used as houseplants. Citron and Kumquat can also be grown indoors. Kaffir lime is an exotic citrus prized for its fragrant leaves that are used in Thai and other Southeast Asian cooking. Citrus plants grow best indoors with 65 degrees. Citrus need a well-trained deep pot to help stabilize the tree, and size pots up as the plants grow. Keep soil moist but not sodden. When the tree is indoors, less water will be needed because growth slows. Adding humidity to the dry indoor air is important. Mist regularly and consider using humidity trays or a small humidifier. In sunny conditions, put the plants in the shade of a tree or the north side of the house for the first several days. Make sure they have plenty of direct light once they are used to being outside. Get them used to lower light at the end of the summer by keeping them in a shady place for a week or so before bringing them back indoors. Citrus plants prefer acid conditions. Use peat in the potting mix to help keep the pH down. Use about 1/3 sterile potting soil, 1/3 perlite or vermiculite, and 1/3 peat or other organic matter in the potting mix. Fertilize the plant only when it is actively growing, usually April through August or September. Scale, whitefly, and spider mites are some of the more common pests of citrus. Make sure the leaves are kept clean by periodically washing them. Pay special attention to the undersides, as well as the leaf stalks. You might have flowers, but still have difficulty getting fruit to form on your citrus plant. This might be due to the lack of pollination. Insects pollinate citrus outside. Since these are not usually present in the home, shake the flowers gently or flick them with your fingers to spread pollen from flower to flower. Stem cuttings root easily by using new shoots, which have been allowed to harden just a little. Hardened shoots have a little substance to them. Don't use shoots that are still buttery soft. Take cuttings in the spring or summer, when the plants are growing most actively. Root the cuttings in fresh potting mix, keeping them slightly moist. Repot when new roots reach a length of 1 inch or so. Plants grown from seed seldom get large enough to flower and fruit. Growing citrus from seeds is a good children's project. Using the same potting mix as you will for cuttings, place seeds about 1/4 inch below the surface of the mix. Keep the potting soil moist. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe to become part of the Plant Farm It community.